Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to make an animation like GIF in PowerPoint. This method I also used in my uploaded video. Like this, on my last video. You see that image keep on moving like GIF? That's the one our topic for today. Now let's begin. Let's go. Now open a PowerPoint. Choose a blank presentation page. Delete this presets. And now we are going to insert word art. And type a word whatever we like. Today I use word like in comment. Type in, choose font you like. Let's try this one. And as slow we need to increase the font size to make it more visible. I just choose font color black. Second, we need to create rounded rectangular shape for the background. I want to adjust this dot here to make our edge more rounded and nice looking. Right-click this box and send to back of our sample word. Alright, now we are going to choose color for our background. I want to try red. Now we need to make one group the word and background by selecting this group. Let's apply some effect to make our image more attractive to look. Now our subject is ready. We are now go to apply animation. Go to animation. Select this preset animation, teeter. Go to animation pane to adjust timing. We are going to put duration in 0.50 to make image move faster. And now right-click on this. We set this on start with previous. Select Effect Options to adjust some addition parameter. Select Timing. On this, choose until end of slides. Click OK. Now let's try to play this animation and see what happened. Now it's done. And now if you want to make an arrow pointer, just draw an arrow. And adjust the start to make arrow more appealing. And select the first image, because I want to apply the same format to the arrow. Now select Format Painter. And click the arrow. Now they are the same format. Now we proceed to animation pane. To also apply some animation effect to this image. Choose line. Now you see the arrow move downward. We are going to make it move from left to right. In order to do that, we need to go to this effect option. And we select right. Now arrow or change direction. But I want it just to move a bit. So I hold this and move back to the left. And now we set this duration to 0.50. Right-click, Start with Previous. Effect Options. We set this in 0 second. And now we check this box. Auto reverse to make our arrow continuously moving left and right. Go to timing. And select until end of slide. And click OK. Now try to play all animation and see what happened. Slideshow. Choose from beginning. As you can see, image now can move like GIF image. Now setup is finished, you can use this to add some nice effects to your video. Hope you like it. And see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.